What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here is back with another awesome video for you guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn $40.16 over and over with this ClickBank product that is really trending at the moment. And the best part about this is you don't need a website. It's completely free to do. This is not going to include weird surveys or CPA, those small CPA offers on ClickBank. This is a long-term sustainable business model that you can run over the next couple of years. And you can start this right now after watching this easy step-by-step video. And also, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below to get some awesome content on how you can make money online, build an online brand, build an online business, and grow your online audience. As well as click on the first link in the description below to join my private Facebook group where you guys can message me. I will be posting sneak peeks of upcoming videos, behind the scenes, and you can all interact with me directly, which is really great. And I would love to build a community with you guys. So if you haven't joined that group yet, make sure to click the link in the description. But without further ado, let's jump into it and enjoy the video. And the first thing that we need to do is we need to head over to ClickBanks. ClickBanks.com. It's completely free to sign up. For those of you who don't know what ClickBanks is, it's the #1 affiliate marketing place in the world. And I know this isn't supported in some countries, but what you can do is you can use a VPN on your browser, set your VPN to connect to the United States, and you'll be able to sign up anywhere in the world. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to head over to the marketplace. And what this is called, it's called affiliate marketing. So what we're doing is we're taking somebody else's product, we are promoting and selling it for them, and they are paying us a commission for that. It's a great way to sell and make money on high income and highly profitable skills, courses, products that are selling that you don't even need to own, that is making a ton of money already on the market, and you're going to just cash in with more and more commissions by promoting these already viral products. On the ClickBank affiliate marketplace, you can see a ton of various categories. So the first step, or step 1, is going to be that we need a product in order to promote and resell and get commission. And I'm also going to show you a very profitable and free traffic method that not too many people use, and that not too many people, or the people that do use it, don't know how to utilize it to its full potential. And that's what I'm going to teach you in this video. And with this traffic method, the potential of your product going viral is very big. So that means thousands and thousands, possibly tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of people seeing your link and clicking on it. So the amount of commissions this can potentially bring in is a lot. And the product that I'm going to be using today is called a vertical jump training. Let's see if I can find it with that term. Yeah, right at the top. Okay, it has changed. It used to be $40. Now you're earning $42 average sale. So it's gone up, which meaning you're earning more. So vertical jump training, vertical stock, rebuild, upsell, and great conversions. You can see this is a product with a decent gravity, meaning 34 different people have sold this product. And what this is a basketball professional training system. So you can see right here, a professional athlete endorsed, created vertical jump training system, very high conversion, expert testing and development, low refunds, upsells, and rebuilds to your affiliate ID, 24-hour support, and personalized coaching. So this is a very high selling product at the moment, and it is going viral on Instagram as well. So if we work this out, 3 sales a day is about $120, which is very good money. Even 2 sales a day, $80 a day, and even 1 sale a day is $40 a day, which is a really good income, and that's probably close enough to be completely independent. So what we need to do is, the first thing is I want to go through the product quickly, as there are 1 or 2 things that I want to cover with you. You can see right here they've got an affiliate page. So if you right click, you can open that in a new tab, and you can actually read a little bit about their affiliate page, what you can earn, about the product itself, and you can actually sign up as an affiliate, but you've already got the product on ClickBank and you can promote it from here. The most important page is this page here, vertshock.com, the landing page. It's got a video. You can see there's a little like a course video, the only proven 3-step jump training program that adds at least 9 to 15 inches to your vertical jump. So it's all training, jumping, because basketball players need a high reach, and this is something that is really trending at the moment. So you can see VertShock is the only system I know of that's proven to boost your hops. So it's a very high selling product because it's very unique. Not a lot of people are using this product, so there is hardly any competition for it, which is really fantastic. And also, why I really like this product. There are a lot of products on ClickBank that is becoming outdated. People aren't updating it and it becomes old, so it becomes difficult to sell. But with this one specifically, a lot of people are constantly posting testimonials. It's always being updated. You can see right here videos of people improving with using this course. There's video proof. There's always testimonials, people posting new pictures of their updates, their progress using this course. So what I like about this, it is constantly updated and people like that, and that is probably why this specific product is really converting well and making a lot of sales for those who are promoting this. And you also want to make sure that this product has, you can see on the ClickBank's page, an affiliate page. And why you wanted that is because you can actually get your own resources such as banners, text, links, all sorts of horizontal banners, product images that can be very helpful when promoting this product. And you can also get your own custom landing pages such as a home page, a parent sales page, testimonials page, direct to order form, a squeeze page that you can download using your ClickBank ID. You can generate that and click that and use that for when promoting, which is really handy when it comes to conversions and closing deals. And all you do to get that ID, you got to come back to the marketplace, click on promote, type in your account username, click on generate hop links, and you can see the link has generated here. So if I copy this and I come over to my browser and I paste and I go to this link, where it will then take you to this VoteShark landing page. And when people make a sale or purchase this product, you then get a commission. You can see right here the current price is $67. And if the average sale is at $42, that means you're getting about 75% commission, which is huge. I mean, that is a huge commission. Sales reps in jobs don't even get that sort of commission. The commission on this is absolutely crazy at $45, which is really going to benefit you, which is why I think this is probably one of the best products to promote at the moment. And keep sticking with me so you can see how this traffic method is completely customized for this specific product. So our next step now that we've got our product, we've got our landing pages, and we've got all of our resources, we're going to need traffic. And the best method I think for traffic for ClickBanks is Instagram. Why I think Instagram is because you can build an entire business from Instagram. So if I come to my search bar and I search basketball, you'll see a whole bunch of pages here. Basketball, Nike basketball, basketball wives. Let's also go basketball vines, because I know vines, like memes and that, like to trend as well. Here we go, basketball vines, basketball vines. Let's use these 5 main pages. So what you want to do is you want to create an Instagram page similar to this, similar to a basketball niche. Go do some Google research, a basketball name for a page. It could be basketball memes or whatever it may be. Just make a page that is similar to this. And what you want to do is you want to come to these popular Instagram pages, Basketball Wives or Nike Basketball or Basketball. You can see they've got hundreds of thousands of followers, some of these even millions. So the one that I'm going to use, for example, is Basketball Vines. And what you want to do is you can actually repost their content. You can see right here, 203,000 views, 60,000, 211,000 views. You want to sift through their page, choose their most popular videos or pictures or images that are got more likes than the usual, and repost them on your page, but give this page credit. As long as you give this page credit, you can completely do that, which is great. And why you want to do this is because you are going to be posting content that is already proven to go viral. And what happens is when people see your page on the explore page, or you commenting with the community, such as the comment section and messaging, replying to comments, people are going to click on your page because they're already interested in basketball, and they're going to see your link in the bio. So you can see right here, a good example is this one here. The best investment I ever made was NBA League Pass. I have a t-shirt store with 2 total sales. Link below, you can see they've got a link to their basketball shop. Same with this one right here, homeofplayersmake.com. If I click on this, you'll see it will take me to like a blog where I'm sure there is a ton of affiliate links. So what you can also do is you could create your own blog, like I showed you how to create a WordPress website in my previous video. And you can include more than one basketball product to multiple affiliate links to just increase your earnings by 3 or 4 times. But you can see right here, the best is this one here, 203K. You can right click on this, copy the link address. You can come over to Google and you can type Instagram downloader. There are a ton of websites that you can download Instagram videos and pictures off. Perfect one here, downloadgram.com. paste the link here and you can download this video and re-upload it to your page. Go to the explore page, engage, build a community, comment valuable comments. People will click on your page. They will see your link in your bio. You can say, this is how I learned, let's say, how to jump and slam dunk up 4 meters in the air in 6 weeks with this course, with this program. People will be interested on that because basketball players are obviously interested in this content. They want to learn, they want to improve their game, and that is where you're going to provide value to them. You're going to provide this product to them, and you're providing a ton of value, and you are helping them achieve their goal. And there is unlimited posts that you can use. You can see here 90k, 67k, 17k likes, 251,000 views, 152k, 241k, and this page has 3 million followers. Yes, but remember, this page started at 0 followers sometime in their life, whether it was a year or 2 years ago. They started with no followers and no posts. So everybody starts somewhere, but you can see the long-term potential. You're not going to suddenly create your page and get 10 sales in a day or even 5 sales in a day. This is something that is going to take time. But if you work at this, this can become passive. It can become passive traffic, people clicking on your page without even putting in the effort anymore. So it's going to require some upfront work of promoting your page, building a community, getting followers. As soon as you get your first 100 followers, your page usually likes or starts to get a bit of traction. As long as you're posting consistently. So set like a post or a challenge that you post once a day, get some viral content up on your page, and you never know, one video might blow up and it could be the difference of like $1,000 in a day of sales. In a nutshell, you want your link in the bio with a call to action, such as click below for the best course that got me into jumping 4 meters high to mastering slam dunks, a mastering slam dunk master course or master class. Leave the link to your affiliate product. You can actually use the bit.ly shortener because you will see that this link, if I click promote again, generate hop links, is very long, ugly, and it looks scammy. So you don't want to promote a link like that. Use the bit.ly program to shorten your link and get a nice professional bit.ly link, and that you can then put in your bio with a call to action. But guys, if you have any questions or if there's any information that you like, comment down below, or you can message me directly in the link in the description, and you can actually talk to me direct and I will help you guys out. But comment down below what you think of the strategy. If you're using this yourself, I'd love to hear your feedback, and also join my Facebook group, my private Facebook group down below. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below with the notifications on, that I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. But if you guys are ready for tomorrow's video, make sure you have the bell on. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.